Good day guys and welcome to our channel. In this video I'm giving you a complete tutorial on the Kraken mobile app. So we will cover everything, setting up your account, securing it, adding funds, making trades, and even using extra features like staking. So whether you're a brand new to crypto or just switching platforms, by the end you'll know exactly how to use Kraken safely and efficiently. So guys, firstly, of course, you need to download the app from the Play Store or App Store. And of course, when you open it, you'll see options to sign up or log in. So in our case, you just need to create an account first. We already have a tutorial on how to do this. So we'll just skip that option and let us just get to the security setup. But in general, if you want to sign up, you will need your email address, or set up a strong password, input country of residence, and a username. So pretty much after doing that, before doing everything else, set up two-factor authentication. So for that, we need to go to the security, tap on the top left part of your screen. Okay, and now let's go to the security, and in here you can set up the authenticator. So go to the authenticator and add the app. Okay, let's just copy the code, open the authenticator. I will use the Google one. And as you can see guys, on this screen, we have our Kraken code. Okay, now after setting up the authenticator, press on continue and paste the code from the authenticator app. Okay, as you can see, authenticator app added. And now I'm using two-factor authentication, and you as well, of course. As you can see, two-factor authentication is enabled. After that, guys, the next thing, of course, that's very important is to verify your account. Kraken requires you to provide personal details depending on the features you want to unlock. So, for example, our starting level is email, phone number, and basic personal info. It's limited to small deposits. Then intermediate level, you will need government-issued ID, selfie verification, and proof of residence. This unlocks high limits and bank transfers. And in the pro level, you need to provide more detailed information and checks for large volume trades and institutions. Most users only need intermediate verification, which usually takes a few minutes, and once approved, your account will be fully ready to use. Alright, and in terms of how to fund your account, let us go through this as well. So you just open the app, go to funding, and choose your deposit option. So in our case, how do we do this? So you pretty much just go to the second tab, which is portfolio. And as you can see in here, we have a button, buy crypto. Click on that. And in here, we will be able to buy. So as you can see, firstly, we will need to verify, of course, to use the full functionality. But in terms of how to fund, you just select the currency, USD, Euro, Great British Pound, etc. Kraken supports bank transfers, ACH, and sometimes card payments, depending on your region. Processing times can vary as well, but bank transfers usually clear within 1 to 3 business days. In terms of the crypto deposit, if you want to do that, if you already own crypto, you can transfer it to Kraken. So you just select the asset, generate deposit address, and send it from your external wallet. So how to do this is you pretty much just press on transfer, and then you press deposit. And in here, guys, you will just pretty much need to input the address from your second service, your second crypto service. For example, let's say that's USDT. You just pretty much input the address into the field, and you can just top up your Kraken. And once topping up, once funds land, you'll see them reflected in your portfolio balance. Also, in terms of exploring the dashboard, you can see the bottom menu has 4 key tabs, which is Home, Portfolio, Explore, and Crack. So the home page is a general overview of different cryptos. You can just scroll down and see the prices for different coins. Also, you can add assets to your watch list and stay on top of price moves and fluctuations in in prices. Also, we have gainers in here, and we have losers as well, people that lose money. We have also some news, basically the new arrivals in the crypto space. Then we have Forex. Then we have portfolio. This is pretty much where you have all your funds, where you can transfer, where you can buy crypto, etc. And you will of course see on the top left your balance, overall balance on your crypto wallet. We have explore, where you can search for different coins, buy them, visit them, view them, etc. just to work with them. As you can see, we have the hot and trading. We have the volume change, new coins, just like I said, and most popular. Also, we have different categories as well. And the last one is Crack. So this is, I suppose, some kind of new service or something where you can send money and also spend. So as you can see, you'll have an ability to send money with a username, and you can earn 4.1% rewards. And pretty much now we can get to trading. So you can choose a cryptocurrency like Ethereum, for example. Just click on it and you can tap on buy. After that, you just enter the amount you want, either in your local currency or in crypto, choose the payment source and review the order summary. So you will also see the Kraken fee, which varies depending on your region and payment type. For instant buys, it's usually around 1.5%. If you want lower fees, you can use Kraken Pro, which charges much less when placing limit orders. Once you're satisfied, tap Confirm Buy. You'll instantly see Ethereum appear in your portfolio. And to sell, you can also tap to sell and swap one coin for another. Use the Convert option. So for example, converting Bitcoin into Solana is just a couple of taps. And also at some point, you can withdraw your funds as well. So for Fiat, select your bank account, enter the amount, and confirm. Fiat withdrawals take 1 to 5 business days depending on your bank. For crypto, you paste in your external wallet address, double check every single character, and then confirm. Crypto withdrawals are usually completed within minutes once confirmed on the blockchain. Always test with a small withdrawal first if you're moving funds to a new wallet. Alright, so in terms of extra features, guys, let's discuss. Kraken isn't just for buying and selling. Also, you have staking. This allows you to earn rewards by staking assets like Ethereum, Solana, etc. in the app. Rewards vary depending on the network. Also, you can automate purchases daily, weekly, or monthly to dollar cost average in the market. And Kraken has built-in guides and price alerts, so you can stay on top of market moves. And for our traders who want advanced features, Kraken Pro provides detailed charts, limit and stop orders, margin trading, and lower fees. So that's pretty much it, guys. Your complete Kraken app tutorial. If you're ready to try Kraken for yourself, I've left a link in the description. It'll take you straight to the sign up page so you can get started today. Thanks for watching, and guys, don't forget to like, subscribe if it helped, and of course, drop your questions in the comments. See you in the next one.